so I'm Matodzi Amisi, and I'm one of the facilitators in this workshop, working together with Ian Goldman from both of us from Clear AA. And so when we think about government, often we have an image that probably looks like this, right? We think about stability, we think about certainty, we think about direction, fit for purpose, an institution that's functional, commitment to service. But in reality, most government system probably looks something like this. Officials building as they go, high stakes, numerous unknowns, countless risks, operating with suboptimal resources, political uncertainty, and very little room for experimentation and for making mistakes. As you can imagine, if they make a mistake, something is going to go horribly wrong. And so how do we make sure that evaluations are useful? Evaluative evidence is useful for officials who are working in contexts like that, in contexts that are dynamic. Our course explores exactly that. So our course is a very practical course that looks at institutionalization of evaluation in very dynamic settings. We look at experiences of governments who have established evaluation systems, who have institutionalized evaluation, and ask questions about what are the technical, cultural, political elements that are necessary for effective institutionalization. It's a very practical course. We invite diverse voices. So we have people who come onto the course to share their experiences. It's grounded, reflexive learning, meaning you're part of the course. It's a very, you're participant in the course. And we invite critical thinking about evaluation and institutionalization of evidence use. And so that's our course. And we hope to see you at the course. And that's it from us.